So yesterday, Shadow Council, businessmen and on behalf of the residents of Margao, we have submitted objections and suggestions in this matter over this bylaws. We have given around 8 objections, valid objections, why this public notice is bad and is not appropriate, at least during this time. First and foremost, as it is lockdown, the very notice has not reached the wide this thing, because there was no newspaper circulation, number one. So there we have objected. Secondly, having a notification under a lockdown period, and even the date for filing objection suggestion being within lockdown period is sort of unjustifiable, because these bylaws have to be discussed between by the people. First of all, people should know, be aware of what are the bylaws being proposed. Even societies, there is a ban on societies having meetings. So if any society has to decide, has to discuss these bylaws, they cannot do that, because during this period they are strictly instructed not to have meetings. So this is one thing. Secondly, the rates that they have proposed for flats and houses, present rates were 600 per year. Now it is going to be 1080. That is 80% increase. So sudden increase of 80% is just unjustifiable. This is what also we have pointed out. And the main contention that Shadow Council has always been following up is that in the course of fees, only the loyal taxpayers, the premises that are assessed for house tax, or the trades that are with valid trade licenses, only these people have to pay the applicable fees. Whereas the unassessed premises, and mind you, it is not only small rooms and hutments, it is even government quarters that which are not assessed for house tax. Thereby they are neither paying house tax nor any sanitation fees are charged for them. So in that sense, it appears that the loyal taxpayers, the assessed premises, have to pay for the garbage of the unassessed premises, which is unfair. Why should only loyal taxpayers pay for everybody's garbage collection? So we have been demanding that all have to be brought under the sanitation fee net, so that the income will increase and accordingly the rates can be lowered down.